Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. Yeah, I'm looking a mess, but I gotta go to Sam's to get the salmon. I'm gonna cook salmon today. I need to go to Foot Locker because I have to return. I gotta return some shoes. Well, I can't return them to Foot Locker because I didn't buy them from Foot Locker. I gotta actually go to Foot Locker to try on a pair. The other day, this is what I was waiting on. I was waiting on these shoes. These are the new Fearless collection with Nike. This came in the pack. Actually, we got a different kind of box this time. Normally, the box is black. It's reversed. Black box, red writing. But this time, it's reversed. And this is what the actual new paper is, which is shocking and surprising. But here's the shoes. These the shoes I got. These are the Fearless. The Fearless Nike, and the color, you can't even really see it. Maybe I should go over here. Okay, there we go. A little bit better. These are the Fearless Jordan 1s. And as you see, it has like this metallic look, and they call this rose gold, but it looks like copper to me. But the problem with this shoe is, one, I don't know if you can see that or not, but that little mark right there, I don't know if y'all can make that out or not, but that little mark right there, I don't know if that's glue. It kind of looked like glue. I don't know. But that little mark is bothering me. Also, I need to go down in size. And it came with 3 sets of laces. Let me turn it this way so y'all can see a little better. Came with white laces, and these are like a wax. Got like a little wax on them. And then it came with red laces, which some people are saying this is raspberry, but clearly it looks like red. And then it also came with these black laces. They're flat laces with like a little coating on them. But I'm gonna take these back. I'm gonna put some socks on real quick so y'all can actually see what it looks like on feet. Wait a minute. Socks, but I'm gonna slide them on. And I didn't even lace them up because I'm actually gonna take them, return them, and I don't need no issues because they're actually a little big up here, up in this area. So I wanted to go to the store and try the 7.5 on just to really see the fit. See how it's gonna fit. Because I really don't know. Let me do a quick lace up. get dressed so I can get out of here and do everything I need to do. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all. This is the outfit of the day. This is what I decided to put on. And I'm eating this. This is actually really good. And I think we bought this from Costco, I believe. Actually been having it for a while. And it has like cranberry. What it have? It got walnut, dry mango, almonds, cranberries, and pumpkin seeds in it. This is actually pretty good. This is what I'm eating for lunch. As y'all see. Oh shit. I'm carrying my angel today. Carrying my angel. Yep. Decided to pull that purse out. Haven't carried it in a while, so I just decided to pull it out. So I'm getting ready to go to Sam's. I need to go to Foot Locker. Really, that's it. I don't really want to go to Foot Locker, to be honest. I hate going to the mall. I really, really do. Okay, y'all. I'm at Costco's. I got the salmon. And they had these light bulbs for 99 cents. I'm not sure why, but they do. So I grabbed 2 of those. Damn, I hope it ain't cracked. And then I stumbled across, excuse me, this Avid box. Now, I don't know if y'all remember last year, Aldi's had an Avid box that I could not find for the life of me. I searched at least 10 Aldi's and I could not find them. But this year, Costco's have them for $99. I'll just scan it real quick so y'all can see exactly. I guess this is the true size of the bottles.
Oh, this is that thing I showed you years ago. This is the wine one. I sent it to him. He's like, where is that?
But I think I'm going to wait for Aldi's to get theirs again. It should be coming out real soon. I think it's like $35. So I'm going to wait for Aldi's. But I think those are bigger bottles. But I don't like wine enough to pay $100 for that much wine. I like wine, but I'm more of a sweet wine drinker versus dry. So yeah, this is really all I came for. I just came for the fish, and like I said, I just so happened to see that they had those light bulbs. So yeah, I think this is it. This is all I'm getting. And then for some reason, I don't know why, my camera is almost dead. I seen a coat that I wanted to buy Damon, but the coat is sold out. So I'm gonna try to see if they have it online. Okay, y'all, one last thing. These Puma sweats is everything. Look at those. These are really nice. Really, really nice. This is a medium, even though y'all know I wear a large. This is really nice. The cotton is real thick, and then the Puma sign is embroidered. Really nice for $20. And they also have these Adidas. These are nice, but I don't own any Adidas shoes, so yeah, those are nice. Really, really nice. And then they have this Fila stuff over here as well. Yep. $20. That's not bad. That's not a bad price at all. And they have the matte. Oh no, these are Pumas too. This is really nice. I really like this. Puma. Oh, and these $14. Or is it this one? What is this? Oh no, that's Adidas. But why is it this one? I don't know, but this is nice. Yep. So I basically got what I'm gonna get. I just came here for the fish. Yep, I just came in to get this fish, and that's it. Oh, let me show y'all the shoes real quick. These, I must seriously do some edits. The Adidas tennis shoes, these are really nice. The white isn't coming in. And these rain boots, oh my gosh.
Oh, these are tiny.
Basically $40. That's not bad. These, I already got a pair of these. I bought last year, trash. You might as well just buy the regular pair because one, the inside, this little fur stuff starts rubbing off and they get kind of slippery, and then the sole is actually not real good. They start to curl up a little bit, so save your money. For $22, I feel as though they're not worth it. Yeah. All right, it's time to go to the checkout so I can make my way to Sam's. Which Costco had was the scan and go, like Sam's have. Sam's got the scan and go. As you shop, you just kind of scan your stuff and then you could be out the door. Oh my god, line is so long. Trying to see if it's a shorter one, but don't look like it. Okay, I'm gonna wait in this line.